Hello everybody, welcome back. Tesla's earnings date has been announced and it's coming out on the 22nd of this month, literally in a couple of days. As Tesla stock today sits fairly flat and over the past 5 days the trend continues, the question is, where do we go next with Tesla? You guys don't need me to tell you, it's been a rough 6 months or so for Tesla. Initially, we saw massive gains, with the stock rising over 100%. However, ever since, the price has been dropping quite substantially, now down nearly 50%. The question that a lot of people are wondering is, where is the share price going in the future? And arguably, that's going to revolve and base itself largely around where the company is going in the future. So with earnings being just around the corner, let's have a look at some major questions which investors are asking. So again, we already know the date now for this, and we already know a lot of questions that are going to be on people's minds. You know, a lot of stuff obviously to do with Elon Musk's behaviour, but also, to be fair, a lot of stuff revolving around Tesla itself as a business and some things that they could be looking to do. So some of the most popular questions, just jumping into them: when will full self-driving, unsupervised, be available for personal use on personally owned cars? Is Tesla still on track for releasing more affordable models this year, or will he be focusing on simplified versions to enhance affordability, similar to the rear-wheel drive Cybertruck? Other questions could include the Robotaxi. Is it still on track for this year? How is Tesla positioning itself to flexibly adapt to global risks, economic risks, in the form of tariffs? Which is a very good question at the minute, of course, as we know Tesla has been affected in a number of ways so far. Anyway, when do you expect the Robotaxi to expand to all major US cities? Regarding the Tesla Optimus pilot line, could you confirm it's currently operational? If so, what is the current production rate of Optimus bots per week? Additionally, how might the recent tariff impacts impact the scalability of this production line moving forwards? Did Tesla experience any meaningful changes in order flow rate in Q1 relating to all of the rumours of brand damage, which of course you guys don't need me to tell you about? Again, that kind of ties into a number of other questions. When will Tesla insurance be available in all 50 states? I'm from Idaho and I'm surrounded by states where it is available but not currently in mine. How is the company planning to deal with the impact of Elon's partnership with the current administration? Is there a possibility of a stock split? If so, when could it be and what could it be? Can you provide more details on the plans for HW3 upgrade path for FSD? And also, when is Grok coming to Tesla vehicles, and will it be able to control anything in the car? This is going to be a really interesting earnings call, and again, as I said, coming out on the 22nd at 5:30 PM EDT. If you want to obviously pay attention to that, we're going to be covering some information as and when, but investors are really excited about this. This is going to be a really interesting one for Tesla. Bear in mind, this is perhaps a key moment in the brand. It's perhaps a key moment in the share price as well, with a lot of people wondering, where is Tesla actually going? Now, of course, earnings themselves are going to tell us a lot about that. A lot of the questions that investors have will help to further answer these. There are a lot of reasonable concerns behind those questions and a lot of reasonable intrigue. Obviously, a lot of people are focusing mainly on Tesla's technology, which is a big part of their company. Some questions to do with tariffs, which I don't think are unreasonable at all, especially given the current situation. And of course, don't forget, a few questions about Elon Musk, his impact in the Trump administration, and the potential brand damage that has resulted for Tesla because of that. I'm certainly waiting to see what's going to happen in these earnings. It's going to be a really big one, I think. I think it's going to be a really exciting one too. So let me know what you think to it in the comments. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope I'll see you soon. Goodbye.